are going back to this thing today. I did make a video on it of me stripping this whole thing down and getting it to where it was, because I needed to take the tire off the seat and need to take the gas tank out to actually get where I needed to be, where I could start thinking about even fixing this thing. And I didn't choose to upload it because I didn't want to do another carb service video. I was over it. I didn't want to do another one, especially on something that's such a piece of crap. Don't forget to mix fuel, kids. Don't be like this guy. Alive by mosquitoes right now, so I'm gonna put this aside. I got other stuff I want to get done tonight, and I will come back to it in the morning, and we will stuff the back tire on and see if this thing rips or not. See you in the morning. I think we got an exhaust issue. I don't understand who uses these things. It just feels like my big white legs are hanging off to the side and I'm trying to hang onto a weed whacker at 30 kilometers an hour.
What happened?
Blew her up. Blew her up, bud.
Might have ran out of fuel.
It might have. I didn't put much fuel in there.
That's what it felt like. Oh yeah, it goes way faster than it needs to when you're that low.
That's way faster you want to go on a bike that big. You got the same problem I did.
Especially
You're big.
Clothing.
I did the same thing earlier today.
Shorts and shoes.
Your big fat white legs hanging out. I had the same problem.